are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Welcome back to the channel, guys. That was all the footage we were able to get from these yard sales. People were not wanting to film at these places. This lady here where we filmed at got a little bit snippy with us, and maybe because all of our prices were too high, but who knows. But we're going to show you everything we found here at these yard sales. We stopped at about 6 sales, and they ended up turning out to be really good. But before that, if it's your first time here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also share, comment, like. It really helps out the channel and we appreciate it. So let's get into these items and show you what we found. The first thing we found here was this Connect set, and they wanted $6 for it. I wasn't going to argue with this, only because if you look these up, they do really well if the box is in great shape and you could sell it as a set. They did tell me this is about 90% complete, so I figured for $6 I was going to take the chance. Because guess what? Even though it's not complete, I'm going to part this out. I'm going to sell a lot of these pieces individually, or maybe in lots like the big yellow wheels right there. I could sell these and make some decent money. Also, these robots here sell really well. I think the legs are somewhere in here, but some of them are complete. And even the manuals do sell. So I expect to make some decent money off of this set because people do lose these little pieces, and people are always looking for this stuff. This, guys, this is perfect. Football season's coming up. This is a Kevin Green Pittsburgh Steelers vintage starter jersey. It is a size large right there. It does have the normal peeling on the numbers on the shoulders. The front numbers look actually really good, and so do the back numbers. If I can actually turn this thing around. Right there, the back numbers look good. This is a good jersey here. I wish this one was my size. I wish it was just a little bit bigger because I would wear this one to a Steeler game or just around the Pittsburgh area. It's really a cool item. And it would go good with the Kevin Green starting lineup here that I have just hanging out in the office. Something we were able to find was some Apple iPhones. Not the actual phones, but empty boxes. Guys, empty boxes sell. You have a lot of people who have an iPhone, and when they go to sell them, sometimes having the box actually helps you sell them for more. So when you're out there looking and you see some empty boxes, pick them up because they normally sell. We've sold Gucci boxes, we've sold Louis Vuitton boxes. Now we're going to sell some iPhone boxes. So we picked up these 2 iPhone boxes and these 2 MacBook Air boxes for a grand total of $5. We have the iPhone boxes listed around $9, and we'll probably list these for about the same. So there's a good chance that we can make 4 times our money, actually more than that, on these boxes. So at this one yard sale, there was this really nice old lady there, and she had some really good stuff, and we might have been the first ones there for the day. She talked our ear off, but had some really awesome stuff. We picked up this vintage toolbox right here. It's an Umco 102A toolbox, and it actually sounds like there's something in it, so let's see what there is. Actually, it's not a toolbox. It is a tackle box for fishing, and there actually is something in it. Let's see, let me get it out here. It's a quarter. Guess what? So we paid $1 for this tackle box. Actually, we only paid 75 cents for it. And we probably got it less because she did give us a deal at the end. And I'll show you some more items that we found from her yard sale. I'm having a hard time filming this video. Let's try this again. We picked up some little knickknacks from her yard sale. Also, some keychains with these little things here. Just some little random stuff. Ben Roethlisberger. See if it focuses. Yeah, it's a football mini collection. A bracelet. It says Kimberly. And we picked up some pins there from the 2002 Winter Games. Betty Crocker. Let's see if it focuses. There you go. We also picked up some other stuff that I'll show you here in a second. But we spent a grand total of like $12 there. So it was really, really good. Actually, one of the other things we picked up here too. Let's see if I can get it to focus here. It is a Great Craft pots and pans. This is pretty cool. And I actually thought they were glued down, but they're not. They're in this cellophane here. Brand new. These things sell for about $20. She had $3 listed on it, but she gave us a really good deal at the end of the day. We were able to pick up this Chips card, another sale from 1977. Yes, it is a little bit dirty, but it will clean up. We're going to have to clean it up some, take some cleaner to it, and I don't have no... Yep, it's going to clean up. Now my hand's dirty. But yeah, we'll clean this thing up and get it going good. We paid $20 for this. This sells anywhere from 40 to 60. So honestly, if it doesn't sell, the kids can play with this, or I'll put it up on a shelf somewhere because it's kind of a cool item. At that same yard sale, we were able to pick up another Pittsburgh Steelers hard hat right here. This one actually has all the Super Bowls on the side, and it says Steelers 6-pack on the front. Now these helmets, this one looks like it was never worn. A lot of people will wear these to the Steeler game. We paid a total of $3 for this, so between this and the chips car, we have $23 into it at that yard sale. Wipe this one down, get some dust off it, and I don't think this is going to stick around long when Steelers season starting. I'm actually wearing a Steelers shirt right now. Maybe I should wear the hat. There we go. The last thing we were able to pick up from the one yard sale where the older lady had some stuff was these Matchbox cars and some die-cast cars. So let's show you these. So we picked up this massive box of cars. She had $12 on them. I think she ended up giving them to me for about $5 when it was all said and done. Yes, some of the cars have some damage to them, but other ones are pretty good. I think this one's a Yatming from 1981. Sorry if it's not in there. But yeah, there's some old Matchbox cars from the 70s and 80s. Not sure how we're going to list these yet, but we're going to get them on there. If you guys have any suggestions on that, listing them by lots or single cars, even though some of them are not in good shape, I still think some of them may sell. Even if it's only for $1, I'll be happy with that, because I still think there's some cars in there that can definitely make some money. But guys, that was the haul video for that yard sale adventure, let's just put it that way. We didn't hit up too many though. There was a few. We had to do some driving to get to these ones. They were a couple different areas, but the way we spaced it out wasn't too bad. I think we were out for maybe 2 hours total, and we did find some good stuff. So again, guys, remember to hit that subscribe button, share, comment, all that fun stuff. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.